It's your girl Christy and I'm back with a video, guys. Sorry I wasn't able to do an intro for you guys, but I'm doing a voiceover today, right? So for the newcomers, welcome. I hope you like this video. Definitely comment down below and let's get on to the video. No video. Okay, so for today I'm using a birthday cake edition birthday cake by Delights. I use 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of butter and water. I mixed it already, so this is just my mixture, right? Sorry I didn't get to tape it for you guys. So I'm just going to put it in the containers, the cupcake holders, whatever you want to call it. So that's just what I'm doing. So once that is finished cooking at 34 degrees, I'm going to put it on my platter to cool, right? So I was a bit hungry, guys. I ate some pilau that mom cooked, fresh salad and potato salad with my apple J. I was super hungry, guys. So after that, I wait for it to bake and this is the results. Guys, I promise you it is cooked. It is like a light color, but it has like sprinkles inside. You can't see, but once I'm eating it, you'll see what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's my cupcakes. It was super soft and it didn't burn. So I'm going to make my icing. I use my powdered sugar, some buttermilk, some butter, and my mixer. I also use some essence at the beginning. So I'm just putting a half of the butter in a container and I'm going to mix it with my cake mixer. So that's just what I'm doing. I put it at 3 because I think 5 was a bit too much, so I'm just going to mix that. You guys, you have to take a bit of time with it, right, and make sure that it's soft and buttery. So that's just what I'm doing. So once I got it as a kind of thick consistency and that is buttery, I'm going to sift out my icing and sugar. So I'm going to sift it out. You don't have to, but it helps me to get some of the thick particles out, right? So that's just what I'm doing. I'm not adding all at once. I just add a few, and once it's mixed and soft and everything, I keep adding. So that is just what I'm doing here, right? Mix. So I mix for about 12 minutes straight just to get that consistency that I'm going for. I add my concentrated buttermilk and I'm mixing right here. This is a fun recipe that I always do, guys. Everyone loves my icing, so I say let me just tape this for you guys to see. So I'm just mixing and then I'm going to add my powdered sugar again, my icing sugar, sorry. Make sure and scoop everything together. So that's just what I'm doing, and as you can see, it's becoming a bit more buttery and soft. So I'm taste testing it. You guys, you'll have to taste this. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, it literally tastes so good and it's really buttery and smooth and nice. So I'm going to show you guys the texture of it. It was really soft and creamy, just how I like it, right? If you want, you can squeeze a bit of lemon in it to give it a nice taste. So guys, these are my cupcakes, all cool and everything. I'm going to butter them with my icing. So that's just what I'm doing. I have my chocolate fudge that I heated over just to get it hot so that it's melted to my consistency, and I'm just pasting that all over my cupcakes. And I'm just sprinkling some sprinkles, colorful sprinkles, on top of my cupcakes, guys. And this is it. I hope you guys like. Definitely don't forget to subscribe. I love these cupcakes. It was super soft. Time for the taste test. Y'all already know. Sorry if my voice is a little soft. I just woke up. I say let me do this voiceover for you guys. Y'all, this is tasting so good. I'm not even gonna cap. Like I still have some more. So you guys see the little sprinkles that was inside, right? Yeah, so I'm eating it and it's just really soft. It's not burnt or anything like that. So yeah, and me enjoying my cupcake. I hope you guys like this video. It was super short, super fun to do. I love making icing. I still have a good bit more in my fridge. So that was it for today. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you get some tips on how I make my buttercream. And yeah, these are just my cupcakes. And I will see you guys until next time. I love you guys. Stay safe, wear your mask. And yeah, until next time guys. Bye.